foam roller, another thing you can do. And this could be up on a platform or down on the floor. Good on the floor, but I just wanted to let you see. I'm gonna rest it on this part of my thigh, right between my hip and my knee. It's gonna be down here. I'm up on top of it. Got one foot planted here. I could be all the way down on my elbow, or I could be up, and I'm gonna, owie, owie, owie. Yeah, this one, believe me, this can be a little painful, so you have to just ease into that. It's massaging your IT band, your iliotibial band, which can cause a lot of problems with the knees and the low back if it gets kind of dried and brittle. So this helps send blood flow there. Again, this is all about myofascial release, and the myofascia is a casing around all your muscles, and as it can get dry, and this helps to send fluids there, wake it up a little bit, wake up, good neuromuscular connection happening, signals from the brain to stimulate circulation and get into those spots that might be a little bit compromised for anybody any age. So, and of course you do it on both sides, but just wanted to give you a little look at that. Ooh, shaking my legs out. Shake a leg, and have a better day because of it.